Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna navigate through Teams applications. So currently I install remote, not remote, but the Teams desktop applications. Here's an icon here and I have it open. On the left column, there's activities. Any activities, any alerts, it will shows up here. And any chat, any private chats that you have conversation with your coworkers, it should shows up under chat. Uh, There's recent, and then there's a contact. Within contacts, you can add more people to your contact. So under my contact, I have a test user called test 100, and if I want to send a message to this guy, so test 100 will see my message. And within the dash, the dashboard here, it also has there's a tabs for conversations and there's a tab for files. Any files that I share with this user, it should be under files. Organizations, activities, and if I want to add additional tabs, I have to click on this plus sign here. And here's all the options currently available that for me to create. I can create a YouTube. Let's see. And I have to install a YouTube plugin for this tab. Okay, so that's for chat. Let's go to Teams. So Teams is display all the Teams site that I'm a member of. There's my team, my test team sites, Contoso IT, IS team site, and a demo. So I'm in a demo here. Under demo, there's a channel. At the beginning, when you first create a team site, they create a channel. And also there's conversations, there's files, if I have any files that share on this team site. There's wiki, and if I want to add more tabs to it, just click on add tab. If I want to add more people to this team site, I just can just click on add more people here. Or I can create more channels. Just create another channel called test. Another channel has been created. Okay, so that's for team. For meetings, if you want to schedule a meeting, a Skype meeting or a Teams meeting, you can do that from here. And there's any meetings that you currently have, it will show up here as well. For calls, if you want to make a team calls or a Skype call, you can use the call button here and enter the phone number you want to dial. And also an option for you to add a contact and create a new group. Files. File will display all the files that you are a member of. You can see all the files if you are a member of any of the teams here. So any files that are a member of the teams or that belong to any of the teams or files that are in your OneDrive, your personal OneDrive, it will shows up under file as well. And the three dots here, the up ellipse, if you click on it, you can create or connect to OneNote, Planner, Stream, Who, or Wiki, or go to the store, get more. Get app, if you want to install applications, you can click on Get app. Store, if you want any other application in the store, you can just click on store here, and it takes you to the store. And if you have any question or concern, you can click on what's new or browse the topics. Okay, oops, I close it out. Let's go back to Teams here. So under Teams, just say if I click on this demo, there's a three dots here as well. If you click on this three dots, you get more options for connectors, get email address, get link to channel, or follow this channel. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a good day.